Good afternoon. This is Dino D, family man in the Philippines. So I did a quick little video about 6 minutes long, grilling some chicken on the balcony using a combination of wood charcoal and the coconut charcoal. I used the wood charcoal to start the coconut charcoal, and you'll see in the video that I purchased an item that's very handy at starting the charcoal instead of using cardboard like my lady showed me how to do the first time for starting coconut charcoal and waving the the cardboard around, fanning it to get it started and going well. I started using a hand torch basically to start the charcoal and using wood charcoal underneath the coconut charcoal. Alright, so today what we're doing is we're building a fire in the charcoal grill. First I like to start by putting a little wood charcoal in there, and then I put my coconut charcoal shell on top of the wood charcoal. Sometimes the wood kind of falls over. The wood is very light here. We're cooking out today on the balcony. We're cooking some chicken, grilled chicken over here. So what I do is I get the wood charcoal in place, and I build a hut with the coconut charcoal because the coconut charcoal is very difficult to start. Now my lady, the first time I was introduced to this a couple of weeks ago, starting a fire, a grill with a coconut charcoal, we did not have my special tool that I purchased after I solved the trouble. So now what we do is I have my trusty torch in hand, because what we first tried using was cardboard start stupid. Coconut charcoal, which is very difficult to get started. Starts burning, it burns really hot, so, and a long time. Of course, kids are outside playing in the street with the other kids. You're probably going to hear some noise from that. So then what we do is we just kind of crank up our little torch here, and the lights. There we go. Now we got a torch there, and we start the wood charcoal on fire. So as you can see, there's already smoke coming out. Maybe you can see it. We're using my Samsung cell phone for recording today. Coconut charcoal it is. Try to get this started. Takes a little longer to get going. Wood charcoal is very soft here. Not like in the US, we have briquettes. So I think that side over there started pretty good. Let me get over here. So we're going to start charcoal over on this side. So this is some of the wood charcoal here that I have underneath the coconut charcoal. So a nice little breeze today. Maybe they'll keep the coconut charcoal burning. That would be nice. Okay, as you can see now, the chicken is on the grill. See some smoke coming up. Nice and hot. Took about 15 minutes. Charcoal get ready. Basically, I have some salt and some pepper, a little garlic powder. I like to use some of that, what they call pizza seasoning for flavoring, and a little sage on the chicken. It was also been marinating in some tandoori rum for a couple of hours. Something that my lady decided that I didn't need because she thought it was for me to get drunk with, not just cook. There she is. So chicken's going to take a little while to cook. I don't like to cook mine very fast because then it just burns on the outside black before it's cooked inside. So chicken's been cooking now about 10 or 15 minutes. I turn it around once in a while. I flip it. I check where it's cooking faster at, and then I put the pieces where it needs to be cooked in the right place. My lady asked me about ketchup on chicken or some type of sauce. I said you don't need it. She decided after she tasted it that it was good. Alright, so almost all the chicken is done. Somebody likes the back. I don't know why. I will not eat the back, but my lady seems to like the back, so I got it on the grill for her cooking right now. There's a couple of the kids. There's one there with her, and there's another one that's Rochelle. You probably saw in the birthday video, and there's the quiet one. Oh yeah, he's got his armband on. Don't worry, that's just a toilet paper roll he likes to have for playtime. Alright, so I finished with the grilling on the balcony, the chicken with the scorpion chicken at the end. And everybody ate the chicken, all the chicken was gone, and also the potatoes were a big hit. The children and everybody else decided they wanted seconds, but I had to save that for breakfast for the morning to go with the eggs. So please subscribe, leave some comments. If you like more recipes, let me know what recipes you would like for me to cook. And until then, don't forget, no matter what you're doing it with someone else.